If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they hold your hands. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they hold your hands. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now, ready now. I ain't gonna fall back now, no. Alright, I'm taking on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be mine?
Hi, I'm Aziza Degwekar. By profession, I have done my master's in computer science, worked as a software engineer, but currently I'm a dance teacher. I'm the founder of an academy called Step Studio, which is located at Vanori. I teach different dance styles. I teach Bollywood, belly dancing, hip hop. We have classical dance styles as well at our academy. I extensively teach belly dancing. I'm the conceptual head of a concept called as Bellisma, which has originated 6 years back. It is specially for women empowerment, where women perform in different malls to spread the culture of belly dancing. Other than that, we have our annual shows, which is called as This Is It, where the students do a showcase once a year that goes to 400 plus students on one stage together. As I finished my graduation, I decided to go ahead do my post-graduation. I was pursuing dancing part-time. But there was a point after 4 years in my organization called AIT where I realized that my real passion is to teach dance. I never wanted to be a dancer or a performer. I wanted to be a choreographer and a teacher. And hence I decided to go all out with Step Studio rather than stick to a 9 to 6 job. It was kind of boring. So while I was doing my IT job, I used to take classes in different clubhouses located in Pune. I started very small. I didn't have that much of funding. So Brahma Majestic, Flower Valley, some martial arts studio was the places which I rented out. I used to pay hourly to these places to run my classes over there. I didn't really have the money to start my own place or rent out a place or buy my own place. After 4 years of working in IT field, I had a saving of around 2,30,000. That's when I took up my own place. Of course, because it's a dance institute, we need full length mirrors. But then 2.30 was not really a very big amount to begin with. I took some money from a lot of people and yeah, there were difficulties. The turning point was a video getting viral. So one of our videos got very viral. We had 24 million views on it on Facebook in 6 days. And that's when the registrations just started flowing and belly dancing became very popular. It was difficult to reach people. Today it's easier. Make a video, put it up on Instagram, put it up on YouTube. I never gave too much importance to YouTube until last year when I realized, oh yeah, it's much more powerful. So we are being more regular with YouTube. We have won a lot of awards in competitions, but the best one personally for me was the Nari Shakti Award, which I won in 2018. After that, the Times Power Woman Award, which just came in last year, was again another achievement because I was placed alongside the best in the Kathak field. After winning these 2 awards, I just thought to myself about doing something really out of the box. So I'm launching something called as the Dance Education Program, where dance is no more just going to be taken as a passion or time pass. The intention behind this is to create an educational program on the base of dance, where people can take dancing as a career. They can become a dancer, they can become a teacher, a choreographer, an entrepreneur to run their own dance academy. So I am starting a program where 5 elements is going to be covered under that. And in the next 5 years, I see Steps as a school rather than just a dance institute.